Number 1. Did you know that the first antibiotic was discovered accidentally? In 1928, Alexander Fleming left a petri dish of bacteria uncovered on his laboratory bench, and it developed mold. To his surprise, the mold killed off the surrounding bacteria. This led to the development of penicillin, which has since saved countless lives. Welcome to MedicineUnveiled, the facts only get better from here. Number 2. Hi, I'm Zoe. The human body contains an astonishing 60,000 miles, 96,560 kilometers, of blood vessels. That's enough to circle the Earth more than twice. Number 3. In the 19th century, doctors believed that bad air or miasma caused diseases like cholera. It wasn't until the discovery of germs by Louis Pasteur in 1857 that they realized bacteria were actually responsible. Number 4. Did you know that the first heart transplant was performed by Dr. Christiaan Barnard in 1967? The recipient, a 54-year-old man named Louis Washkansky, lived for 18 days after the surgery before passing away due to complications. Number 5. The world's most common medical condition is tooth decay. According to the World Health Organization, over 60% of children worldwide have experienced tooth decay by the time they reach age 12. Number 6. Antibodies are so specific that it takes a single drop of blood from an individual with the right genetic makeup to create a customized medicine for them. Number 7. In 1884, Dr. Émile-Justin Menard developed the first vaccine against tuberculosis. The disease had previously been considered incurable and caused widespread panic. Number 8. The human eye can process 36,000 bits of information every hour. It's no wonder that humans are able to perceive and react to their environment so quickly. Number 9. Did you know that the first pacemaker was implanted in 1958 by Dr. Rune Elmqvist? The device was only a quarter-inch thick and weighed about 2 ounces. Number 10. The world's oldest known medical text is the Edwin Smith Papyrus, which dates back to around 1600 BCE. It describes various treatments for eye conditions, including a type of cataract surgery. Stay with me, the best facts are still coming. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying this. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Number 11. Stem cells have the ability to transform into any cell in the human body. This incredible flexibility has led researchers to explore their potential in treating diseases like Parkinson's and diabetes. Number 12. The first MRI scan was performed by Dr. Raymond Damadian in 1977 using a 4 Tesla magnet. The technology has since revolutionized medical imaging. Number 13. Did you know that the first CT, computed tomography, scanner was developed in 1971? It took around 5 minutes to produce an image, compared to today's much faster scan times. Number 14. In the early 20th century, doctors believed that feminine intuition could be used as a diagnostic tool for certain medical conditions. This idea has since been discredited and replaced with evidence-based medicine. Number 15. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. It's no wonder that our sense of smell is so closely linked to memory. Number 16. Did you know that the first successful liver transplant was performed in 1963 by Dr. Thomas Starzl? The recipient lived for 10 years after the surgery before passing away due to complications. Number 17. Stents were first developed in the 1970s as a way to open up blocked arteries. Today, they are used to treat a wide range of cardiovascular conditions. Number 18. The human body is capable of producing around 1 liter, 34 ounces, of saliva per day. That's a lot of spit. Number 19. In 1891, German pathologist Robert Koch discovered that tubercle bacilli were responsible for causing tuberculosis. His discovery led to the development of effective treatments and vaccines. Number 20. The most surprising fact is this: The human brain contains an estimated 300 to 400 billion neural connections, or synapses, which can be reorganized and modified throughout our lifetime through a process called neuroplasticity. Thanks for watching BrainOvault. Subscribe and hit the bell for more mind-expanding facts.